What's going on, Crypto Gems? It's your boy George back, and today we've got a really cool NFT. I like this a lot because it's a shooting game. It's a shooting game inside the metaverse. It's super cool. Stay through the whole video, hang out with me. What I want to do is tell you a disclaimer first. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have fun, find some cool NFT, play some cool games, and hopefully make a lot of money doing it. So let's jump straight in. So here we are, universalisland.games. All the links will be down below. Please only use trusted links. I can't say that enough. So first impressions, you know I like to do that. It looks really cool. It looks a bit like Transformers met some sort of space avatar. Looks really cool. I don't know if this is meant to be some sort of rock monkey in the right. Either way, it looks super cool. So what this is, Universe Island, it has been described as a third-person shooting game. It's a crypto-powered play-to-earn game which requires no initial investment from the end of the players. So it features not only token rewards, but also NFT integration with an engaging underlying storyline. It's really cool already just looking at it. I'm going to jump straight onto the white paper so I can show you some of the tokenomics and things that go with this. So here we are in the white paper. It's at the bottom of the website. Remember, all the links will be down below. If you skip to number 5 like I have, obviously do your own research all the way through, but number 5 has the most important bits for me. So to initiate a game, auto-matched opponents of similar skills levels, an energy system will be used to fuel the cogs of the matchmaking algorithm. Each match will cost 1 energy to play, and all players have energy battery packs that can store up to 6 energy units. When below full charge, energy will be recharged at the rate of 1 energy charge every 8 minutes, including the time spent in game. The only way for players to turbocharge their battery packs if out of energy will be using the UIM token, the native token of the UIM ecosystem, to purchase the required energy points. In addition to the base guaranteed UIM tokens for every victory, every match will have 2 treasuries, randomly airdropped to different locations on the map. Each of these treasures will carry a small chance to win an additional reward of UIM tokens as an airdrop. However, players would still need to win their match after collecting these treasures in order to open them and stand a chance to win the airdrop. If the match is lost, any collected treasures would partially drop to the opponent, who would be eligible to get the treasure reward upon winning, but receiving only 25% of the contained UIM tokens as an airdrop if the treasures were to contain any. Now, the reason I wanted to share page 5 with you is purely because of that fact. So look, you're in the game, you're trying to get this token, shooting everyone, we're having fun. Treasures will be dropped. Everyone's going to rush to them, try and get them. Now, once you've got them, you still have to win that game, or they're gone, okay? And once they're gone, it doesn't matter. If you die, somebody else is going to get a share of that treasure. So a very clever thinking, you can go strategic ways. You can just let everyone run for the treasure and kill each other, and then take a cut once they all do kill each other, or you can go and try and get the treasure first and try and run around and survive. Okay, you choose whichever way you want. I know what I'm going to choose because I like snipering. I'm going to be a sniper. Wait for one person to be left, snipe them off, and take a share. So as you can see here, it's got the game, win tokens, match energy, spending token coins in the game. This is their ecosystem, Universe Island. It's got the treasures, the energy, and the match. This is what you want to do. You want to go down the white paper, have a look at all these different sections. Okay, so scrolling down to page 7, Universe Island, the features of Universe Island. So as you go down, you can start to see what they've really got in this whole ecosystem. So the Metaverse Gallery. Metaverse Gallery is an NFT gallery with a 3D environment where players showcase their precious pieces of Infinity Design NFT collections and further UIM NFT collections. Just that one sentence is what I want to read out because of further UIM NFT collections. This is just the beginning. This is where we're going to start to really get a nice liquidity of this token. But in the future, they see this being branded out to all different kind of games. So you can start to get a real collection of this whole ecosystem before everybody else does. That's really cool. Open world, we know right now that the most famous games coming out are all open world games where you can actually take your own decisions on yourself. They're the most popular, and I do see this game being just as popular as them. Evolving community engagement. If you look at the Twitter, which I'm going to show you, and you look at other things, the engagement is incredible. Okay, everyone loves a shooting game. Everyone loves the metaverse. Everything put into one right now is just booming hype. So that's why this is going to be going. I can see here, players will be able to compete in tournaments to test their skills and win tokenized rewards. Daily and weekly challenges will be present to get extra energy and temporary gear as equivalent to NFTs. Sounds a bit like all the ones we played, like Destiny, Division, things like that. You carry on playing, you do really well, you do contests, you do quests, you're going to get extra bits of NFTs. The only difference between this and the games that I've mentioned is you actually get crypto. You can actually make money. You can actually get NFTs that you can trade for money. That's why we do this show. That's why we love to do it. As you scroll down, you'll see in-game NFT series upgrade designs. I just wanted to show you this because it's super cool. Look at this little laser pistol. It reminds me of like the first ever ray gun from Call of Duty. Super, super cool. This is what the NFT sort of in-games are going to look like. I don't know what else is going to be. Maybe machine guns, maybe some rocket launchers, spacesuits, all that kind of stuff. Tells you what skills they've got, what type of weapon it is, what attack it has. And it's just unique with the way that they have gone back to a retro kind of NFT. Just like in Nuketown and things like that in Call of Duty. It's gone retro. It's not this like 3D art popping out, doing all these things. It looks like it's in a vending machine, this laser pistol. Super, super cool. Scrolling down to page 11, I want to talk a little bit about the staking. Everybody loves a good staking of a token. So you can see here, UIM tokens will be required to be staked in order to earn staking rewards. These would be in the form of receiving additional UIM tokens as an APY over the entire staking duration. I'm not going to carry on reading through all. It's pretty simple. It's like every other project that we usually talk about. You stake your NFT, you stake the token, you're going to get API. As you can see down here, 200,000 tokens, one item type, S1 tier. Is chance, you've got 1% chance. Okay, go through all the different ones, see what kind of chances you've got of getting them, and you can also work out the rewards you're going to get. 16% liquidity providers, the rest of it obviously is to the staking protocol. The UIM token distribution. So as you go through the token prices, you can see here reserve development 11%, advisory 4%, private sale 22%, marketing 4%, seed round 4%, public 2%, liquidity 6%, staking 16%, community rewards 6%, game rewards 15%, and the team is 10%. Further on down, again, do your own research. I don't want to bore you through this, but have a look down, see exactly. They have got a really good way of explaining exactly where the token's going, what it's going to do, and how they're going to use that token to carry on building this ecosystem. Now, I need to show you this bit because it's super cool. It's the Infinity Design series and the possibilities of actually obtaining one. Just like I showed you before with the little, what I call a ray gun lookalike. You can see here it's got like basic metal, different colors, the different skills, all the different kinds that it's got. Now, if you read through, like it says, staking UIM token for probabilistic chance to win a freshly minted NFT card, detailed in the staking section below. Purchasing existing NFT cards from owners who are willing to sell exclusively on the UIM NFT marketplace. Participating in auctions for freshly minted, scarce, limited edition NFT cards. Listed directly by the Universal Island LLC to raise project development funds. In case one wins the right to mint an NFT through the staking process, the gas fees in BNB required to mint and claim the actual NFT on UIM NFT marketplace will be paid by the user. Try and get yourself one of these. If you manage to, get in the comments. Let me know you got one of them. Especially if there's one on this video, either the armor, boots, gloves, helmet, or jetpack, let me know straight away. It'll be super cool to find out. Now, what these actually do is they take your normal NFTs, the in-game NFTs that we've got, and they supercharge them. Okay, it gives them upgrades, it fuses them. Transferable records on the blockchain with these upgrades. It basically makes 10x of the NFT that you've got. That's the really cool thing about this. That's why the probability of getting one isn't as high, but they're going to make your in-game NFTs supercharged, which is incredible. It's very, very incredible. So here we are on the Twitter. It's @_Universe Island. Again, the links will be down below. Please only use trusted links. You'll get bored of me saying that, but it's really, really important that you please listen to that one bit. So there is no place to buy our token yet. That's a big statement. There's no place to announce yet. The listing will be announced on, and as you can see there's a link. So 48,400 followers. I've clicked them. There is some notable people following this project. It's not got a massive influencers, but it's got notable people in the NFT space and in the gaming space that I would like to see, which is a very good sign. As you scroll down, there's enough interaction on all of these posts for me to know that this is about to blow up. You can see when it's getting 843 retweets, it's incredible. That means that people are actively engaging in this. You can see this little chest that's breaking out and it's going to show you what NFT you've got. There's some sort of scorpion ringed weapon. I don't know. Anyway, it shows you the engagement on this, shows you how well this is about to be. Now, I do believe this is going to be an incredible universe when it's made. I believe it's not there yet, but getting in this early is going to be the key to success in this project. Now, you get crazy rewards. So you don't pay fees on the marketplace if you have the token. That's a major in-game benefit. So getting in this early, like I said, is an incredible advantage that we're going to have to people when this starts to get adapted by the masses. So there you have it, everyone. What a cool NFT. If you liked it, get in the comments, let me know. If you didn't like it, get in there as well and let me know. I want your honest opinion. Please like this video. Please subscribe to it if you want more like this in the future. It helps the algorithm and it makes me feel really good inside. So let's get it done. The summary of this, I'm super impressed with NFTs and how they've adapted shooting games now in the metaverse. I want to get on and play with everyone. It's something that everyone in the family can do. You can get your friends around, have a real good time. So again, like I said, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.